Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. In the heat of the summer, sweltering, just hotter than you know where, right? But anyway, as you can see, around me, I am surrounded by Corvettes. And I'm working on this one, I'm working on that one, I'm working on this one, trying to get these jobs finished up. So let's start with this one. And I know you've seen this car before. Early summer, you know, back in April, May, this car just ran frickin' awesome. You know, no temperature issues or anything, but in the last 30 days, we're having a hard time to control the temperature. It gets up to 190 and, you know, if you're sitting in traffic, it goes way over. So I'm either gonna richen up the mixture, you know, on the carburetor, get a little bit more gas going down in there to cool the heads off, maybe put a bigger fan on it. But we haven't come to the complete conclusion yet on this deal, but I wanted you to know this is a really cool car, tri-power setup. We put louvers in the hood and louvers in the fenders to get some of that heat out of the engine compartment. So that's this one. Then we come over to this one, our 64 front end. I'm going to get glued on this week. So I'm making the preparation to get this front end glued onto the cowl system, and then I can start building the front end, put the headlights in it, get it prepped for paint. And then we've got this white 69 convertible. It also has a little overheating problem, but it needs a water pump. The headlights weren't working. We had to put a gas tank in it. Just odds and ends trying to get this car back on the road. I mentioned 3 or 4 different things that we're working on here, so you can tell that we are an all-around shop. We do anything. Bumper to bumper on these Corvettes, bumper to bumper on your Camaros, bumper to bumper on your trucks, Mustangs. It doesn't matter what you got, folks. You know why? You know where to bring it. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.